fx is equal to sine 3x minus cos 3x. Fx is equal to sine 3x minus cos 3x. X is given between 0 and pi. Find the interval where it is increasing, where it is decreasing. Fx is sine 3x minus cos 3x. X is between 0 and pi. My question is, find the interval where it is increasing, where it is decreasing. Again, we should start. This is a board question we had. So first we differentiated f dash x. Sin 3x का डेरिवेटिव हो गया cos of 3x 3 times. Sin 3x का हो जाएगा plus 3 sin 3x. Sin 3x will be 3 cos 3x and then cos का हो गया minus sin, so it will be plus 3 sin 3x. Or I should say 3 common, then comes out to be cos 3x plus sin 3x. Then we should take it 3 root 2 multiply and divide. Root 2 multiply and root 2 divide. We will take 3 root 2 is here already. Then we should have 3 root 2. This will be plus sign, so we'll convert in sign. Sine of pi by 4 cos 3x plus cos pi by 4 sine 3x. Or I should say it will be 3 root 2 sine a plus b. So sine pi by 4 plus of 3x will be your f dash x. Clear? This is the derivative we got. After that, what is the interval? According to that, we should work. So we have x is between 0 and pi by, x is between 0 and pi. We are concerned about 3x plus pi by 4. So this implies 3x is between 0 to 3 pi. Then we add pi by 4 in it. So pi by 4. 3x plus pi by 4. And this is coming 3 pi plus pi by 4. So now we should check where this interval goes, and according to that we will decide where sign positive, negative. According to that we will just say it is increasing or decreasing. So here it is 0, pi by 2 pi, 3 pi by 2, and this is coming to pi. First value is pi by 4, so it will start with pi by 4. It will start from pi by 4 to pi, then pi to 2 pi, then 2 pi plus pi by 4, then it will be 3 pi, and then 3 pi plus pi by 4. We should go till 3 pi by 4. Start with pi by 4, then it will go to pi, then 2 pi, then it is 3 pi, here it will become 3 pi. And here it is 3 pi plus pi by 4. And we are concerned with sign. When you go for sign, what we should do? When we have sign, sign will be plus here, sign will be plus here, here it will be minus, here it will be minus, here it will be plus, here it will be plus, here it will be minus. So now we should split this, and according to that we will proceed the question. First we write when 3x plus pi by 4. When 3x plus pi by 4. This is the angle going from pi by 4 to pi, it's plus. or. What second part will be? 2 pi to 3 pi, it is plus. Two pi to 3 pi, it is plus. So this is the interval or this is the interval. What you should say in this case? In this case, 3 root 2 sine of pi by 4 plus 3x comes out to be a positive number. If it is positive, means I should say f dash x is coming greater than 0. And if we have f dash x is greater than 0, therefore what I should say? Therefore fx is increasing on x belongs to. Now I should go for x here. To get x, क्या calculate करना है? X निकालना है तो पहले pi by 4 minus करो. Pi by 4 minus करेंगे तो ये होगा 0, ये होगा 3x और ये क्या बन जाएगा? Pi minus pi by 4. So is it 3 pi by 4? Then we divide it all by 3. When you divide it by 3, what it will come? X will come between 0 and pi by 4. So what I should say, it belongs to 0 to pi by 4. Union. Second part is this. It is 3x. So we subtract pi by 4 first. So it will come 2 pi minus pi by 4. This will come 3x. This will be 3 pi minus pi by 4. 4 to the 8. 8 minus 1. It will be 7 pi by 4. This will be 3x and this will be 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 11 pi by 4. And then we divide it by 3 again. So it will come 7 pi by 12. It will be 11 pi by 12. So 7 pi by 12 to 11 pi by 12. So function is increasing from 0 to pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 12 to 11 pi by 12. Is it okay? Now going for second part where it is negative. When negative part, when you take where it will go, first it will go from pi to 2 pi. So pi by 4 plus 3x is from pi to 2 pi. And then or pi by 4 plus 3x is from, what that will come? 3 pi to 3 pi plus pi by 4. In this case, I should say 3 root 2 sine of pi by 4 plus 3x is coming on negative value. If it is negative, f dash x is coming negative. And if f dash x is negative, what I should say? Therefore, fx is decreasing on x belongs to. Now I should calculate x. When you calculate x, first pi by 4 to be subtracted. So it will come 3 pi by 4. This will be 3x and 2 pi minus pi by 4. It will be 7 pi by 4. And then divided by 3. So it will come from pi by 4 to 7 pi by 12. First part. Union. Second part will be this. Again pi by 4 subtracted. When you subtract pi by 4, what it will come? 3 pi minus pi by 4. This will be 3x and this will be 3 pi. This will come out to be 4 3s are 12. 11 pi by 4 is here. This is 3x and this is 3 pi. When you divide it by 3, so what will come? 11 pi by 12 2 pi. So it is a good question. You should know it. It is a question they asked in board exam. We should remember how to do it. Next question, please. Prove that the function fx is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus of 3x minus 100 is increasing for all real numbers. Prove that this function is clearly increasing for all the real numbers. Complete real number, it is an increasing function. We should know it. Please try. So what we do in this case, first we go for f dash x. What this will come out to be 3x square minus 6x plus 3. 3 will be common, left is x square minus 2x plus 1. Or I should say 3 times x minus 1 whole square. It is always a positive number, never come out to be negative. So we will say this quantity is greater than 0 for all x belongs to real number here. And if it is greater than 0 for all real number, what I should say, therefore fx is increasing on x belongs to real. So complete real number, it will be an increasing function. Right? It is greater than or equal to also you can write, because it can be 0 at 1. So it is increasing, not strictly increasing. Keep in mind in this question, especially if x is equal to 1, when you take it will come out to be 0. I want that's a greater than 0 for strictly, otherwise it's increasing. So it's an increasing function. Next question, please. fx is equal to tan inverse sin x plus cos x. An interval is given from 0 to pi by 4. fx is equal to tan inverse sin x plus cos x. Interval is 0 to pi by 4. You should prove that this function is increasing in this interval. Prove it that this function is clearly increasing in this interval. Simple question, not a difficult one. F dash x, if I take tan inverse derivative, will be 1 by 1 plus sin x plus cos x whole square. And sin x derivative is simply cos x and then minus of sin x. Then I should say f dash x will be cos x minus sin x by 1 plus sin of x plus cos of x whole square. This is already a positive number. Only the numerator has to decide where it is increasing, where it is decreasing. So again, we should convert this into a single variable or single trigonometrical function. Multiply it again by root 2. Then I'll write this as root 2 and this will be sin cos will convert. So it will come out to be sin of pi by, sorry, cos will convert because that will give plus. Cos pi by 4 cos x minus sin pi by 4 sine of x whole divided by 1 plus sine x plus cos x whole square. Then I'll write this as root 2. This will be cos of x plus pi by 4 whole divided by 1 plus sine x plus cos x whole square. Yes or no? After getting this result, we are concerned with the interval 0 to pi by 4 given. X is given between 0 to pi by 4. It is given in the question. We have this condition. We are concerned with x plus pi by 4 because this is only the factor deciding. This will always come out to be positive. So when you go for x plus pi by 4, it will come pi by 4 to pi by 2. Pi by 4 to pi by 2 means this part it is. What about your cos? Cos is clearly plus here. So what I should say in this case, when we have this condition, root 2 cos x plus pi by 4 by 1 plus sine x plus cos x whole square come out to be a positive number. And when it come out to be a positive number, I should have f dash x is coming greater than 0. Therefore, fx is increasing on x belongs to 0 to pi by. That is the answer. Now, I'll discuss one question which I have given in the assignment, and everyone in the assignment has not explained it clearly. So that we should know how to do it. That was the question. Modulus x plus modulus x minus 1 fx, where minus 1 to 2. I think it was the interval where we have to discuss its continuity and differentiability. Increasing, decreasing, I have completed.